Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Chapter 16. Sensory Organ. Are 5 sensory organs. Imagine you are walking along the road. There is a ditch ahead. You see it and you walk around. What would happen if you do not see the ditch? You are playing in your neighborhood. Suddenly, you hear thunder. You are able to reach your house before it begins to rain. What would happen if you do not hear the thunder? It is necessary for us to know what is happening in our surrounding. It helps us to decide what to do in any situation, and we can keep ourselves safe. How do we sense what is happening around us? It is our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin which tell us about our surrounding. Therefore, they are called our sensory organs.